this question, we are asked to find the area of the region bounded by this curve. And this curve is given as that x square plus 4x plus 2 is less than equal to y and y is less than equal to x plus 2. Basically, y is the region between these two curves. So first of all, we have to find how these curves look like. So this first one is a parabola, right? And then we can find out what is basically the vertex and where it is, right? So to do this, we write this as x squared plus 4x plus 2, and then try to make it a perfect square. So this will become x squared plus 2 into x. So this means that I have to have a 2 square, and then I have to subtract 2 square, and then that will be plus 2. So what I will have is x plus 2 whole square and minus 2. So my parabola, if I have to draw parabola, then it would be looking something like this, that it will be shifting by 2 units to the left because of this x, and then also shifting by 2 units to down because of this. So there will be 2 units, minus 2 units over here, right? And then, I mean, we can just figure out where will this be cutting this y-axis. When we put x equals to 0, this will be cutting somewhere over here too, right? So the curve would be looking somewhat like this. This is how it will be going. And then, yeah, this will be going this way. So this is how the parabola would be looking like. Now let's look at this mod x plus 2, which is simply like you have to just shift it by 2 units, and then this is how it will be going. So even this at x equals to 0, this will be cutting here at 2. So this modulus function would go something like this. And what is given to us is that this y is in between these two curves, meaning that we have to find this area. See, if we are trying to find this area, maybe at times we are confused as in which one to take, positive and negative. But see, if this figure itself we translate somewhat to the first quadrant, then it would become easier. So what we are saying that let's translate this entire figure to, let's say, right. Okay. So and then up. So if I translate this figure to 2 units to the right, I will be coming over here. This will be my origin, right? And then I'll just shift it by 2 units upward as well, right? So that my parabola would be coming over here. So what I'm trying to say is that what we can do is that we can shift this entire curve by this, and then we can figure out the area easily there. So what I'm trying to do is that I'm shifting this entire curve by 2 units to the up and 2 units to the right, right? So where I get this curve is like I will be over here. So this parabola would come something like this. Now, because of this is also shifting 2 units up, right? So this is gonna go up somewhere over here, right? And then it is gonna go cut this way and go cut this way, right? So what we have done is this is what my figure is looking like, and this is symmetrical figure. So what we will have is that this is the area we will figure out, and then we'll be able to do this, right? So what I've done is I've just shifted this curve. So this curve has become y equals to x square, right? And this curve has become y equals to mod x plus 2, right? This is what it has become because of my shifting of this, right? Now, where are these gonna cut, right? So where is this gonna cut? Basically, you can just say that this x square would be actually equal to when this is x plus 2, because this is gonna be positive 1, right? So then you can say that this is gonna be x square minus x plus or minus 2, and this you can say that this is x square minus or plus x minus 2x minus 2. So, I mean, you could have figured out from there too, but this is x plus 1 minus 2 times x plus 1. So, what would happen? This will be cutting here at minus 1 and then and 2. Minus 1 would be rejected because this is not possible. I have taken this to be positive. So, all it means is that this point will be actually basically x. This will be 2. This point will be 2, and this is similar. This point will be minus 2, right? All we need to know is this area, right? So what I'll do is I will just go ahead and then find out this area, which is from 0 to 2, and then this one would be up, right? So which is x plus 2, and then minus x square. And I'll have to do just 2 times of this, and that's what will be my area. This would be actually equal to 2 times x square by 2 plus 2x minus x cube by 3. From 0 to 2, I'll just substitute the value 2. So this will become 2 times 2 square by 2 plus 2 times 2 minus 2 cube by 3. And then minus 0 plus 0 and then plus 0 when you put 0. Right, so this will become 2 times, this will become 2, this will become 4, and this will become 8 by 3. Now, again, you can try this 2, and this will be 6 into 3, which will be 18, right? 18 minus 8 divided by 3, and this will give you 2 into 10 by 3, which is 20 by 3 units. Okay. So after translating all this is very easy, as in you can just do it. It's not that difficult over here too. All right. If you've got any question, do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.